If you're a senior leader or on a board, you're probably relying on a security training model that, let's be honest, was designed for a totally different world. Today, we're going to dig into why that old playbook isn't just a little outdated, it's become a major business risk that could literally cost you millions. So let's jump right in.
Now, everything we're about to cover isn't just our opinion. It comes straight from a detailed report by Virtualization Options LLC. They're a tech research firm that's been deep in the trenches on this issue. So you know the information we're working with is top-notch.
All right, so what's the real problem we're talking about here? It's that once-a-year, check-the-box security training that pretty much every organization still does. But in today's world of AI-powered threats, that entire approach is frankly broken. And this quote from the report, wow, it's pretty chilling. It doesn't just say the annual training is not enough. It calls it actively dangerous. And why is that? Because it tricks everyone into thinking they're safe, creating this false sense of security, while the real, modern threats just walk right in the front door. And you can really see the difference side by side here. On one side, you've got the old way. It's static, it's all about checking a compliance box, and the knowledge gets stale almost immediately. But on the other side, you have the continuous model. It's adaptive, it's smart, and it's all about driving real, actual changes in behavior.
So why all the urgency now? Well, it's because the battlefield has completely changed. This isn't a static situation anymore. It's a full-blown arms race. And right now, AI is the weapon of choice for the other side. First up, you've got AI-powered phishing. And look, these aren't the emails we used to get with all the typos. We're talking about AI crafting hyper-personalized messages. It can look at someone's online life and create an email so convincing, so context-aware that it's nearly impossible to tell it's fake. Then you have deepfake deception. Just imagine for a second. You get a frantic video call from your CEO. It looks like them, it sounds like them, and they're telling you to authorize an urgent wire transfer. With AI, that's not science fiction anymore. It's a real threat that blows right past the simple human checks we used to count on. And if that wasn't enough, there's automated malware. You can think of this like a shape-shifting virus. It's constantly changing its code to slip past detection. Your traditional antivirus software and, yep, your annual training just can't keep up with something that reinvents itself every few minutes. Okay, so how do these crazy new threats actually translate to your bottom line? Well, it's a ripple effect. A single mistake from one employee can start a tidal wave of liability that swamps the entire organization. The report's author, Bob, really puts a fine point on this. He says stale training is dangerous because your team's idea of a threat could be almost a year out of date. The key is they need to know what unusual looks like right now, not what it looked like 11 months ago. And that first ripple, it hits your customers hard. One simple employee mistake can expose a huge amount of personal and financial data. And just like that, you've eroded the brand trust you spent years building, not to mention the massive regulatory fines from things like GDPR and HIPAA.
Next up, your partners. In today's connected world, you're just one link in a massive digital supply chain. If your security training is outdated, you become the weakest link. You become the easy way in for an attack on your entire ecosystem. We saw exactly how devastating this can be with the SolarWinds breach, where a trusted software update was weaponized against top government agencies. That kind of mistake leads to huge contractual problems and can even get you kicked out of key partnerships. And finally, let's talk about your investors. The SEC now has a new rule. You have just 4 business days to disclose a major cyber incident. Inadequate training makes these incidents way more likely, which can crush your stock price, and, get this, it increases the personal liability that directors and officers face for not doing enough. And here's the number that should really grab your attention. According to IBM, the average cost of a data breach in 2023 was a staggering $4.45 million. That's not just some abstract figure. That's a direct hit to your company from fines, brand damage, and legal fees. And with AI attacks getting more common, you can bet that number is only going up.
Okay, so that's the bad news. How do we actually defend against all this? Well, the answer isn't just more training. It's a totally different kind of training. It's about a strategic shift to building a real human firewall, creating a culture where people feel empowered to say, hey, this looks weird, and report it right away. So what is this we're talking about? A continuous program isn't a once-a-year event. It actually evolves in real time, right alongside the threats. It uses smart simulations and gives people immediate, just-in-time coaching if they slip up.
The goal here isn't just awareness, it's about creating real, lasting changes in how people behave. And this isn't just a concept, it's an actionable strategy. You start with personalized phishing simulations that look just like the real threats your teams face. If someone clicks, they get instant coaching explaining the mistake. Then you get people training that's specific to their role, because your finance team and your marketing team face totally different risks, right? And most importantly, you stop measuring who finished the training and start measuring if behavior is actually changing. Ultimately, this whole thing is about changing your organization's mindset. It's about moving away from the shallow goal of just being compliant and moving toward a much bigger, more strategic goal, building true organizational resilience. This slide really gets to the heart of it. It's about a huge shift in how you measure success. Instead of asking, did everyone complete the course? We start asking, are we actually safer? Are fewer people clicking bad links? Are they reporting suspicious emails faster? It sounds simple, but it has a massive impact on your actual security. And here's the bottom line for the boardroom. A continuous training program is more than just a security tool, it's a governance tool. It gives you the hard, auditable proof that regulators, insurance companies, and your own investors are demanding. It proves you're being proactive about managing human risk. So, as we wrap up, here's the question I want you to take back to your organization. Is your current security training truly building a vigilant, resilient human firewall? Or is it just checking a box? And maybe, just maybe, making you the weakest link in your own supply chain. And that's our explainer. All the insights we shared today came from that in-depth report by Virtualization Options LLC. A huge thanks to them for the research, and of course, a huge thank you to you for joining us.